32 ways to quickly stop foreclosure, refinance your loan. I'm Dave Dinkle, and for the past 47 years, I've helped homeowners just like you to stop their foreclosures. More than 1 million Americans have used my tips, tactics, and techniques to stop their foreclosures. The biggest reasons people lose their homes to foreclosure is simply they don't take action soon enough. The following video is an introduction to just one of those techniques. Refinancing and foreclosure seems like a simple solution to your pending foreclosure sale, especially if you suddenly became reemployed or came into enough money to reinstate your current loan. The actual answer from your lender or a new lender is not likely. Why should we go through the effort to refinance when you didn't pay timely before? However, all is not lost, as there are a couple of solutions that you can use. Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac guaranteed loans have a seasoning period of 2 to 7 years before they will refinance a homeowner who has previously defaulted on his loan. Most conventional lenders require at least 12 consecutive monthly on-time payments before they will consider refinancing a loan. The process to overcome this refinance issue is to first essentially get a bridge loan that will carry you through the seasoning period, and then go for refinancing with a conventional lender. The scrutiny the lender will give you on a new loan will be tough but workable. Warning: never lie to a conventional lender, because you'll be violating federal loan regulations, and serious penalties and even jail time could result. Step 1. If you have substantial equity in your home, you can approach a hard money lender who will consider the fact that he may have to foreclose to get his money back, but his loan amount, interest, and cost are covered by your excess equity if he does have to foreclose. The cost of using hard money is high compared to a conventional loan. However, if you want to keep your home and the equity in it, make sure you can afford the closing fees and monthly payments. The closing costs can be from 2 to 10% of the amount you borrow, and the annual interest rate can be 8 to 15%, with an average that we see of 3% closing cost and 10% interest. The other option, if you have little or no equity, is to find a private lender who will be loaning you the money needed based only on his personal relationship with you. These people are usually friends or family members who are often skeptical about your ability to handle money because of where you are now. I developed a script that is in the text, which has been used successfully about 85% of the time to get the loan you need from these people. Don't assume because you think they don't have the money that they don't. Most often, one or more of these people will have a lot more money than you think. You won't know unless you try. Step 2. Pay off your existing loan using an attorney who can issue a new title policy for the safety of your lender. Hard money lender will require it, but do it for your private lender to give them security against loss of their funds due to the title deficiency that you didn't know about. Always carry insurance on your property with the lender as a co-beneficiary of the policy, just in case of an unexpected catastrophic event. Step 3. Make your monthly payments on time for at least 13 months and ask your lender to report this to the various credit bureaus. For hard money lenders, this is easy, but for private lenders, it requires a little effort. Call the credit bureau that predominantly reports in your area and ask for their procedure for reporting a payment history. Step 4. You'll need to apply to various conventional lenders, but before you fill out an application form, call them and talk to a real person about what that lender will allow and what they will require. All is not hopeless, but you must take action as soon as possible, and don't be lured into a sense of security because one private lender says they will help you, but who later changes their mind. Thank you for looking at this brief introduction to just one of the 32 ways you might be able to use to stop your foreclosure. Now is your opportunity to take control of your situation, whether you are just contemplating what options are available, or you're all the way through having already lost your home. We're the sum of the choices we make in our lives, and now is the time to make a choice that can positively affect your life forever. To get started changing your life today, simply go to davedinkle.com/32 ways.